Kumusta naman po ang inyong maghapon? I hope everyone is doing fine as of the moment. Kung minsan po may mga bagay na hindi palaging okay ang isasagot natin na, lalo na po kung mayroon tayong kausap, diba? Hello, kumusta ka na? And then, sabihin mo lang, okay naman, okay na okay. Pakinggan mo ang mensahe ng video ito. It's okay to say no every now and then. Why? We have a free will to reject or turn down an offer or invitation if it does not give us a sense of peace and joy. Diba? Sumasang-ayon ka ba? It's okay to be sad out of the blue. Why? We are not a robot indeed. Alam mo ba kung ano po ang hindi okay? Ang palagi po nating sasabihin sa ating mga sarili, lalo na po sa harapan po ng mga taong nakikipag-usap sa atin na okay lang tayo. Diba? Piliin po natin palagi ang magpakatotoo. Lastly, it's okay to pause, reset, restart, and reflect from time to time. Why? Our well-being matters a lot indeed. It's a simple reminder from yours truly. Keep safe and God bless us all.